Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors coming at you with another Excursion walk around video. Hey, if you're just finding this channel for the first time, my name is Jake. I am the owner operator of Success Motors in College Station, Texas. We are more of like a specialty dealership, if you would. We sell a lot of Excursions, Raptors, Dodge Vipers, lifted trucks, cool things like that. But we sell a lot of Ford Excursions. We've really found a lot of just enjoyment, to be honest with you, kind of working on them and tinkering with them, and then a lot of success in selling these things. If you're not aware, Excursions are on the up and up right now. They are increasing in value as we speak. Hey, my apologies guys, it's a little windy today. I'm in Texas and it is a scorcher right here. So I'm out here, I'm sweating my tail off, to be honest, making these videos. It's a little windy, so forgive me for the video quality. I do not proclaim to be a YouTuber necessarily. I'm just trying to make good videos so that you can see the full condition of these cars before you buy them. But anyway, like I said, we sell a lot of Excursions. They are increasing in value, and we just have a lot of fun with them. So without further ado, this is a 2001 Ford Excursion. It is an XLT. It is a two-wheel drive, but it is the 7.3 diesel. And just kind of getting right into the good stuff, I'll show you in a minute. It has $12,000 worth of receipts for work that was done in the last 20,000 miles. And I'm talking big stuff, guys. I'm talking injectors. I'm talking a variety of other things that are escaping my brain right now as I'm making this video. But you can see the description in the video below, or you can check it out at successmotors.net. Find us on Facebook, Success Motors, or Instagram, Success Motors, or Success_Motors. And in the description there, I've posted everything that's been done to this truck. It's a two-owner. I've got the CarFax. I'll show you in the video here in a little while. By the way, we'll start it up. I'll show you the inside. I'll show you everything that works. So if you're interested in this truck, please watch the video in its entirety, and you'll know everything I know about it by the end of this video. But again, it's a 2001 Ford Excursion XLT two-wheel drive 7.3 diesel. It's a two-owner. And I picked this vehicle up here in Texas. It's been in Texas its whole life. So it is 100% rust-free, no surface rust, no rust, none of that. And I picked it up from the previous owner who had had it since 2005. All right, guys, this was an older couple. It was driven by the gentleman's wife. So it is literally grandma driven. He told me they had used it a couple of times to tow their RV, but basically, they just daily drove this thing for, 18 years. They took really good care of it. I have a lot of receipts. It was well cared for by a diesel mechanic, is my understanding. And then I did not have to do a ton to this truck. We did do kind of like a stage 1 paint correction and wax. The paint is honestly in really good condition, specifically on the sides. The doors, the back door, and part of the hood. I will show you part of the hood does have some oxidation on it. It does have some brand new tires on it. We took it in and we had them kind of run through a general inspection we do for all the vehicles. And the only thing that they found wrong with this rig is the door lock actuators. So let me repeat that. It needs all new door lock actuators, which you can get 4 of them online for like 69 bucks. I just haven't fixed it yet. So if it's a big deal, we can figure out something to get it fixed. But if you do buy it from me, just know that the door locks do not work, which is so common on these rigs. But that was the only thing that they found wrong with it. We did an oil change. They did not find any oil leaks. Everything is great. So this does not drip any fluids. What you see there below it is just the condensation from the AC. Because like I drove it over here to take pictures, and like I said, it's a hot day. But no oil leaks, none of that. It's got brand new tires on it. It's got new brakes. It's got new shocks. Like I said, it's got about $12,000 worth of motor work receipts done to it in the last 20,000 miles. Not done by the individual himself, but literally by a shop. So exactly what you would want working on the vehicle. Anyway, I'm gonna get a little bit closer to it so I can show you all the imperfections and whatnot. So as you can see, it's in really good shape. This is the biggest flaw on the whole vehicle. Boom. The grandma, she ran into a curb or some kind of wall, and it could definitely, you could pop the bumper off and you could knock that out, or you could find a replacement bumper if it was a problem for you. But check out the paint. It is as nice as this camera is showing. It's in really good shape. Just gonna show you each and every fender here. Tires, like I said, are brand new. Wheels are in good shape, tires are in great shape. Coming here, you know, little oxidation or paint has chipped off right there. That could be fixed for sure. Door here, passenger door, has a couple of just mistakes in the paint. I'm not the dealer that's gonna go around and fix scratches, all right? I'm not a lipstick on a pig kind of guy. I'm not gonna go and try to make this thing look better than it is. My goal is to be completely honest and transparent with you all so that you can buy these Excursions and you can do whatever you need with them. I have a lot of people buying from up north, and we're shipping them up to Wyoming and Virginia, Nebraska, and people are basically buying these videos or buying these Excursions after seeing the video and kind of talking to me and running through it. So they're buying them sight unseen. So the last thing I would want is for you to get this truck to you and go, Jake, you did not accurately represent the vehicle. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not gonna hide scratches. I'm gonna show you where they are. They could easily be repaired. This is down to metal, could be repaired for sure. And then kind of another big flaw here on this side, absolutely could be repaired. Again, all 4 tires are brand new. Glass is all in great shape. I mean, overall, there were no dents on this side, just a few scratches in the paint. Coming back to the back, we have a little bit of oxidation on this guy here. You could chip the rest of the clear coat off, or you could just live with it or replace that piece in general. That's super common, especially for these Texas trucks. So you don't get rust in Texas. You do get a little bit of paint wear, but honestly, it's a 22-year-old truck. It's in great shape. No dents or dings on the back there. Coming to this side is also in great shape. We got a little dent right here, if you can see it. It's just a little dent and a little paint chip here. Then also a little paint chip right there. Overall, again, very clean, very good shape there. Tire, new. Driver's side, passenger door. Again, you guys, if you're just tuning in here, well, I guess you've probably seen the whole thing, so no reason for me to repeat it, but I will. It's a 2001 Ford Excursion XLT 7.3 diesel. It is a 2-wheel drive. Grandma driven, 2-owner. I picked it up from the second owner who had it since 2005. A couple little paint flaws here, like maybe something sideswiped her or she rubbed on something, I'm not sure. And then fenders are in great shape. Bumper's in great shape on this side. Grill's in great shape. And honestly, if you can look, paint is in really good shape on the front half of this hood. But when you get back here, you got a little oxidation. Little oxidation right there. Overall in great shape. You're not gonna be able to get this out, I don't think, with a paint correction. I think you might have to get that repainted. You might be able to do a better job than I did with the paint correction, not sure. Windshield is great, no cracks or anything like that. All right, let's go inside, check her out. Like I said, she's an XLT, so she does not have leather interior, but it is a very nice truck nonetheless. You get a few options. There's only a few options you miss, to be honest, when you go to the XLT. You lose the leather, you lose the memory seats, you lose the heated seats, but you still have some good options. You got some power seats. Seats in great shape. The condition is in really good shape. You can check out the steering wheels in great shape. By the way, it's got 296,000 miles on it. Like I mentioned though, I've got receipts totaling $12,000 worth of work, all done in the past 20,000 miles. So this rig, obviously known as a 1,000,000-mile motor, is gonna be good for a long time. And the body's gonna hold up for a long time too without any rust. Great condition, completely stock, you guys. Let me say that again, completely stock. No tuner ever. No tuner ever. Only thing that it has is that brake controller, trailer brake controller. But no tuner ever, which that is a major plus. All stock, everything back here is in good shape. Not very many stains or anything like that. These back seats honestly look like maybe they've never been sat in before. I don't remember if the couple had kids or not. Maybe they were already in the latter stages of life when I bought it from them, so their kids are probably already grown up when they were driving this around. Seats are really clean, headliner's really clean. You still get the rear AC, you still got all that stuff. Come around to the back. I'll start it up for you guys in a minute and show you under the hood, of course. Spare tire has great tread. I am not going to take this thing off because it's hard to make it look good again. But I'm sticking my finger in. It's got deep tread here. Very clean. Little stain over there. Didn't even try to get it out, I'll be honest with you. It does not look like this truck was used for anything truckly. You know, very minor scuffs and whatnot on the sides there. Of course, doors open up. And just in really good shape. If you're looking for a two-wheel drive 7.3 diesel, this is a really nice one. Yeah, another side. Headliner's good. Seats are just really good. Lastly, I'll show you guys over here. Passenger seat. Passenger seat's not power, but very good condition. Looks like nobody ever sat it over here. Again, I was told that it was driven by the wife as her daily. And here's the CarFax. I'll just briefly show you. Everybody asked me to see the CarFax in these things, so I can send it to you if you want me to, but here's the CarFax report. Just run, 2 owner, no accidents, 287,000 miles was the last reported reading or whatever. It was well cared for, no accidents, like I said. Just a great vehicle. And then here's all the receipts. I'm not going to show you because the previous owner's name is on here, so just for confidentiality for him. But you can see that receipt right there says $775. That receipt says $2,500. And again, it's all, that one says $3,200. It's all listed, you guys, in the description for the vehicle. You can find that again on our website or social media, everything that's been done to it. So again, it's a really nice car, a really nice vehicle. I'm gonna go show you guys under the hood, and then I'm gonna start it up. And as always, you guys, if you do want to make a purchase or just an inquiry, you can email me at info@successmotors.net. You can message us on Instagram, you can message us on Facebook, you can message us through our website, or you can call me 979-202-1948. Again, 979-202-1948. Great condition, very clean, no oil leaks, none of that. I got to step over here to my bag to get the keys. If you're looking for anything else, you guys, you can stay tuned, pay attention to Success Motors, pay attention to our website. We've got another Excursion I'll be listing later this week. It's a 6-liter 4-wheel drive. It's had a lot of work done to it, fully bulletproof. We got a 2018 F450 Limited that's about to be listed as well. And then I'm hoping to pick up 2 other Excursions this week. So definitely follow the channel. All right, you guys, it's not a cold start. I repeat, not a cold start. I drove it over here today, but you can see still says wait to start over there. It literally starts right up. AC blows cold, front and rear. All the lights go away except for the seatbelt light, obviously, because I'm not in it. The seatbelt is not on. All right, let me stop talking for a minute so you guys can hear the motor. Last little pass here, I'll walk by the exhaust so you can see no smoke or anything blowing out. Sounds fantastic. Let me show you real quick what I got going on here. All the windows work. Window. You can't see the other one over there, so just trust me on it. Now what doesn't work, like I said, is the locks. You can listen real quick. Door lock actuators don't work. All right, I'm gonna shut it off so we can finish this video up so you guys can hear me. Again, you guys, really great, really clean rig. If you guys are looking for a 2001 or any year Ford Excursion 2-wheel drive, this is a nice one. It's a 2-owner, like I said. Previous owner was exactly the type of person you want to buy a truck from. They've had it for 18 years, well maintained, documented $12,000 of motor work done in the last 20,000 miles. We did an oil change, had it inspected, found nothing wrong with it, passed state inspection. It's got new tires, new shocks, paint is in great condition, interior is in great condition. It runs, it rides, it shifts, and it stops very well. This is one of the nicest Excursions for sale currently, no doubt about it. Again, let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Follow the channel, you guys. We're going to be posting, like I said, another Excursion this week, as well as an F450. And then we'll be picking up 2 more Excursions this week as well. And I'm potentially going to video the actual pickup process and what we look for when looking for these Excursions, as well as I'll post a video what you should look for when you're buying a used Excursion. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel for more information like that. All right, God bless you guys. Talk to you soon.